Great job for Toni Elias coming in here.
Coming down through the corkscrew, everybody looking for some room.
What a move. Toni Elias just straight lines it down up underneath Zanetti as they come down into the raining corner. Look how early he tips that bike into turn 10 as well. He's going to be able to look at what's happening here. You can see Jake Gagne right up the back of Toni Elias as they go down through the carousel.
Hi, I'm Toni Elias. Today I visit the headquarters of my friends in Fagor Automation. My world of racing, it's very similar of all the things I've seen today.
In order to be the best, you have to be tough, fast, precise, and smart.
Who's going to get to the line? It'll be Toni Elias.
Fagor Automation is a leader in technology, also one of the top manufacturers in tool machinery. Thanks Fagor for this amazing day. I had a lot of fun and I hope to see you soon. Bye.